For my next video, I'd like to do one on a Samsung Galaxy's internet app and how to make a web page shortcut on your home page. So that's kind of a lot said there. So I want to make a web page accessible by putting it on my home page. So instead of going to the browser, opening up the browser, looking for the right web page, I want to just see where it's at. It's like a shortcut, you call it, whatever you want to call it, shortcut on my desktop. Hit it and it opens up. Okay, so let's start by, obviously we want to open up the browser, and I'm gonna put just something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead of me always typing that in all the time, it can come up as to that, which won't work, of course. There isn't such a thing. But we're gonna add this. So unfortunately, we are unable to retrieve the tracking results, blah, 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 blah. So let's go ahead though and add this to our desktop now. So what we do is the three, they call it a sandwich, the three little bars in the right hand corner, bottom, and we want to go to add to. See the add to the left of settings. So we're going to go ahead and tap that. Now here's all our options. So bookmarks, bookmark bar, quick access, saved pages, and home screen. So really this is kind of something to learn here. There's five different locations here that we can do. So bookmarks, that's common sense. The bookmark bar, which is the bar at the top, it's more of a quick access bar. Quick access, that's off to the side. Home screen, and then saved pages, so it'll save the entire page, which is kind of handy too, but you have to open up the browser, then you have to go. So anyway, home screen, we'll tap home screen, and we're going to tap test, and then add, and then there's add to home screen, touch and hold an icon, or tap add to add it to the home screen. So we're going to touch and hold it. So now we can pick which home screen we want to add it to. So I don't want it in there. I'm going to put it right there, which that's a really handy feature. You can have a directory, and then you can have all your home screens that you go to often just sitting right in that directory. You don't even need to open your browser app. You just go right into the directory, right into the shortcut that you want. So we'll go ahead, and there's tests. Go ahead and tap on it, opens it up, and of course there it is. Unfortunately, we're unable to retrieve the tracking, so we can't obviously track 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it saved it. It saves everything as a web page, as if you were just going there and doing it. And then, you know, it's like anything, you can remove it, rename it, select it, whatever. So in my case, I want to remove it because I don't want it to stay there. So that's my video on how to make a website on the home page. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.